Hi guys, my name is Brooke Minner and this is my Reusable Resources for eLearning in K-12 presentation. The subject that I have decided to talk about today is why art is important. I would like to talk about the importance of art, how to teach students the importance of art through open educational resources, and how students can participate in artistic activities without creating physical art pieces themselves. Open educational resources for the importance of art. In this realm, I've decided to talk about three specific ones. One being PBS Learning Media, the next being OER Commons, and then Curriki. For PBS Learning Media, this is the one that I decided that I liked the most and thought that it was the most helpful in the subject of art and teaching students K-12 about why art is important, and it gives a ton of resources about it. The features that it includes for many of the topics involved with art are educational videos, background readings, discussion questions, and an activity for individual grade levels. For example, if you go to their website, it allows you to click a subject that you would like, and then the grade level you prefer. But in my case, I just searched, I typed in art, and then you can click the grade level here if you still choose to do that, and then subjects are here, resource types. But for the sake of this video, I will demonstrate what the Media Arts Illuminated Art selection is like. It has many videos that you can choose from, many activities within these videos. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio, and have been to the Blink Light and Art Festival, so I thought that this is very cool. You can go here and click the video. It'll show you super cool things that are involved at this art show without even having to be there. And it shares with you the importance of art and background about the festival. It gives a brief description, and then it includes support materials, which I think are the most beneficial part of this website, this resource. The background reading tells you all about the festival. The discussion questions allow for students to be asked questions about the video or the festival or whatever they may think about it, and they can discuss these with their peers or their teachers and think more in depth about it. And the activity allows for the students to actually do something, whether that be sketch or model the project, make an artistic statement explaining the intent of the project, or many other things. And it has different grade levels as well. Like the grade level for high school is here, grade level 4 through 8 is here, and I just think it's very beneficial. And then next, I have chosen to talk about OER Commons. I thought this one was also really cool, but the PBS one I did like more than this one in Curriki, because I feel like it just gave more options. But this one specifically allows you to choose your subject, just like PBS did. It has warm-up questions, background, guided practice, a slideshow, an activity, and an extension. So to walk you through that, it'll ask you what you're looking for. I typed in art. It'll ask you what subject you want to do. The education level, I'll just pick upper primary, and then search that. And then it gives you a ton of resources that you can use. The one that I thought was really cool that you didn't have to do physical artwork outside of was the elements of art. It gives you a brief description of what it's like and for what grades. This one is from kindergarten through 12. And then you can click View Resource up here. And then it'll give you many different topics talking about the elements of art that I thought was really cool. And you can even download these images or find lessons regarding this topic, online courses, or explore courses. I just thought this is really cool because it allows students to analyze art elements without actually having to do physical artwork. while still learning about the importance of art. The next one I would like to talk about is Curriki. This one provides a lesson summary about whatever lesson you choose to do, an estimated duration of how long that lesson will take a student to do, and then it has the assessment, instructional procedures for the teacher or the student to teach themselves, homework options, and then vocabulary. Unfortunately, when I made this slideshow yesterday, Curriki was up and running, but now that I am making my screencasting video, I went back to the website and it said it is currently unavailable. But I still really liked the website, so I still wanted to discuss it. This gives you resources where you can type in what you want, and then it'll give you a variety of different subjects to choose from. And then it'll give you many different lessons that you can choose from, which are all digitally accessible, and have very helpful things like the assessment and the instructional procedures that I have talked about already. Yeah, I thought that art is a very important topic to talk about, and that is what I'm very interested in. And the importance of it is very much overlooked in a lot of cases, and I think that these resources that I have studied and presented to you have been very helpful, and I think would be very helpful for a teacher to use to show the students why art is important.